Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's episode, I will take you through the steps to change your transaxle fluid on the 2011 through 2016 Kia Forte. A typical transaxle service requires draining the transaxle fluid, remove and clean the oil pan, and remove and replace the transaxle filter. However, on these Kia models, the transaxle valve body will need to be removed to allow access to the filter. There is a risk of damaging the transaxle while performing this procedure. The filter removal and replacement is best left to the experienced professional. Let's get started. The tools you will need for this project are safety glasses, a drain pan, a funnel, a socket wrench with a 10 and 12 millimeter socket, a flat head screwdriver, a pair of pliers. Any variation will be a suitable choice, and automatic transmission fluid. These transaxles require Dextron 6 or higher. The transaxle is located in front of the vehicle under the hood. To ease access to the oil pan, I will remove several components, starting with the battery, and then the air intake snorkel, and so forth and so on. To remove the battery from the vehicle, I will disconnect its cables, starting with the negative cable or the black cable, to avoid accidental electrical shock. Be very careful not to touch and connect the two battery posts together with your metal wrench. Next is the battery hold-down bolt, followed by the battery tray. You can skip this step if you can work around it, but I have chosen to remove it. The battery hold-down bolt is a 12 millimeter. Underneath the vehicle lies the engine splash guard shield. It is secured to the frame by three 10 millimeter bolts. This port unscrews, and it is where you add the fresh transaxle fluid. I labeled the transaxle's oil cooler supply and return hoses for easy reinstall. You will also need to remove the upper radiator hose as well. The oil pan is secured to the transaxle by 18 10mm bolts. Allow the transaxle's fluid to drain completely before you remove the pan. I will carefully lift and remove the pan, clean and reinstall it. This job is fairly easy. I will reconnect and reinstall the parts off camera. Once this is complete, start the vehicle, check for leaks, then shift the transaxle through all of its gears before driving. This episode is concluded. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.